different angle. I'm getting as much content. You know, people sit there and watch people like record stuff. That's basically it. iPad's charged all the way up, and my phone's charged. I have to keep every time the wind goes away. It's scary. Last minute, the last couple minutes, I didn't want it to rain. I was like, if it started to rain, all my stuff was wet. All my stuff was laid out. I'm shocked I could fit all the stuff inside. It is my best friend's birthday and tomorrow we're going out. She said she wanted to go out tonight with like her fam. But yeah, we might be going somewhere today for her actual birthday. And I mean, her birthday's all week, period. But tomorrow is the day we're actually going out like in the city girl. And yeah, as you can see, I'm doing my hair. I finished it yesterday. I probably posted that video already, or it'll be up after this one. But yeah, I finished my hair yesterday, which y'all saw the end result. I'm gonna show you the end result again, because this is basically gonna be the end result. Basically, yesterday I did it and I noticed how flat it was. It looked kind of, you know, I made it 4 at the top on each side instead of 3, so now it's a lot fuller. I just did this side, so now it's a lot fuller, and it covers my the side of my face more, which I love, because now it lays like boom instead of like mumpy. So I'm gonna finish this side and then I'll show you guys the end results. A weekend in my life, or a night out. I don't know what the title's gonna be.
But no, seriously?
Yes, the girl. It's cute.
You guys, we went thrifting. Well, we both went thrifting.
Yeah. Basically.
And then we got the cutest stuff. We should have vlogged what we got. Absolutely.
And we already put we always do this. I've only been here for like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it's a little.
Our stuff is out. The shoes. Our bags. Clothes. More clothes. Purses. And a few.
Oh, it does.
First of all, why is my camera clearer than my actual camera?
Say that tripod isn't doing its justice.
I think it's clear.
It is. You guys,
There's
look
a
at the
park
dog.
across the street. They're so cute. And there's a Whole Foods. Let's go. Oh my gosh.
I want to go there to get a mini cake.
Oh yeah. You can see buildings and the cars right next to the highway.
What is this shit like I got some video? Yeah. Who's this?
of 10.
Yeah,
1 out of 10. I said 10 out of 10. I'm supposed to be asking you what you thought the night was.
I'm just gonna give it 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
We had fun. The food was great. The drinks were great. We look good.
Yeah.
We still look good. We're gonna look good tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep looking good.
Yeah.
So, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Tune in.
Yes.
The night is over. It's like 2:30. It's like nighttime anymore this morning. I'll actually start vlogging tomorrow, but tonight was like the first night. So good night. Compared to that side.
Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it. Rest.